Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel normally we are talking about MPLS in Portuguese, but this video will be in English, okay? And today we are gonna talk about iOS XE rollback configuration, right? So many vendors like Juniper and Huawei and Cisco using iOS XR are able to use the rollback configuration. In case of misconfiguration, you can hold back the configuration and bring up the network again, okay? So but this problem we can see in iOS XE, and in most cases you need to take time to get a backup configuration and apply this again, okay? So in 5-minute session we will discuss about the rollback configuration and the best way to do that. This is like a portal where other areas can request services for us. In this case, for example, we have this one where it's pending, like this picture here. The project canceled, okay, and the request is remove BGP and VRF configuration for customer autopostal. This is our topology. The configuration will be in this element and this one. So here we can see that this one is iOS XR and this one is iOS XE. Okay, see, the request is remove BGP and VRF configuration. Here we can see a misunderstanding. Remove BGP. Okay, think about a person who will remove the entire BGP configuration. In iOS XE, what is the best way to roll back the configuration, bring up the network and the customers again? Now I will connect to the routers, and here we can see the configuration for autopostal VRF configuration. Okay, this one, the request is to remove the entire VRF, not the BGP, the entire configuration, and after that we will roll back the configuration. But we have to follow many procedures before the rollback configuration works fine here in iOS XE. So in iOS XR, we know that it is easy to do because this is built-in. For example, if show run router BGP 650, for example, here we have all the configuration, and if, for example, I come here and no router BGP and show and comment, here we can see we have removed all the BGP configuration. Many customers calling the knock on the service desk like a storm, right? So but here I am able to roll back configuration last one, and in a few minutes we will have the network and the customers working fine again, right? This is in iOS XR, no problem. So but in iOS XE we have to follow many procedures before to do that. The first one we will do is entry configuration mode, and I will use archive as enter. The first one is path. We will save this configuration in boot flash. Okay, path boot flash maximum. How many configurations I will save here to be able to backup? To hold back, in fact, I will type 10. The maximum is 14. What will be the trigger to save the configuration? Write memory. Okay, so it means that every time that I do a configuration, make a change, and write memory or save the configuration, I will increment one archive configuration. Write memory. Okay. So here, as we can see, we have a show IP VRF interface. In the VRF autopost that we need to remove, we have the loopback 999. I will remove this one. No interface look back 999. I remove that, no problem, and I will write. Configuration has been saved, no problem. And now I will do the misconfiguration. Here all the configuration, and by misconfiguration or misunderstand, unfortunately I will come here and no router BGP 650. All the configuration BGP has been lost, and I am able to double R configuration. Okay, so here we have many problems, customers and services, it's not working, disruption totally in the network. So, but here we have some commands that we can use to check. Show archive. This one we type 2 double R, okay? That's why we have 2 items here. This one is the most recent. Great. Here we can use the command show archive configuration, and we can use the difference to compare between 2 config files or incremental diffs, display lines in config file which will be added to the running config. I will use just one because this is more interesting, I think. And here I will use just one. This is the most recent, as we can see here. Let me see what will be the difference. No change file. That's right. Let's see this one now. What we can see here. Here we know that if we roll back this configuration, all this configuration will be applied again, okay? Because if I use this command show run config session BGP, we have nothing talking about global BGP configuration, okay? So, and to do the rollback configuration, we will use this same item here, okay, to bring up all the BGP configuration in few minutes. Just type configuration replace with what? Boot flash and just one. I will copy this again and remove that. Okay, there I will ask you if you really intend to do that. Type yes. Rollback done. That's great. BGP is up, and okay, so this is one way we can do to rollback configuration using iOS XE. That's it. I hope this talk can help you, and see you again. Take care and bye bye.